In Washington, D.C., not far from the Lincoln Memorial, there's a powerful place built to honor a man who changed history, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. He believed in fairness, kindness, and peaceful change. As you walk in, you pass through the Mountain of Despair, two huge stone blocks. They stand for the struggles and unfairness that the people faced during the civil rights movement. But just ahead is something different. This is the Stone of Hope, and on the right side you'll see these words, "Out of the mountain of despair, a stone of hope." It's from Dr. King's famous "I Have a Dream" speech. It means that even when things are hard, we can still believe in something better. The statue shows Dr. King standing tall and looking ahead. He's calm but determined, just like he was in real life. He used peaceful words and actions to stand up for what's right. All around the memorial are some of his most powerful words about love, justice, and standing together. They remind us how brave he was and how we can all work together to make the world a better place. The Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial isn't just something to look at. It's a place to think, to feel, and to remember that every voice can make a difference. Dr. King's dream still lives on, and right here, carved in stone, his hope stands tall. Guests to the memorial may visit 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, including holidays. There isn't a fee or ticket required. Learn more or plan your visit at nps.gov/MLKM.